ago, the great Māori navigators set out across the vast Pacific Ocean, guided not by maps, but by the stars, the winds, and their own ingenuity. They didn't just rely on skill, they relied on vision. And that's how they made it here to Aotearoa. Imagine standing at the shore, looking out at the endless ocean, no land in sight. Would you have the courage to sail into the unknown? Our tūpuna did, with the ability to see beyond what is known and trust in a greater vision. The ability to turn uncertainty into opportunity. Talent is a flame. It flickers, it glows, it provides light, it guides you along paths. Talent is something you're born with, an innate gift. Some of us are born with an ear for music, a sharp eye for art, or a natural ability to solve problems. It helps you excel, but it doesn't guarantee greatness. It's a gift, yes, but like a flame, it's fragile. It needs nurturing, care, and direction. Without purpose or passion, it could easily fade. Genius is a fire. It reshapes, it transforms, it builds new worlds, it forges new paths. It is something that emerges over time that must be actively cultivated to refine your skills, to push beyond the limits of your current understanding and take risks others may fear. Genius is the past. Poye, written by the illustrious Dalvanius Prime, did not solely rely on musical talent. He created something bigger by blending Māori music with pop. He didn't just craft or create a catchy tune. He sparked a cultural revolution. He envisioned a world where Māori culture could thrive and be celebrated rather than assimilated. This elevated an entire culture that changed the narrative, leaving an enduring mark on New Zealand. And that, my friends, is genius. Tā apirana ngata, a Ngāti Porou leader, a lawyer, a politician, a land reformer, and scholar who did not accept the decline of Māori culture. He fought vigorously for its revival. Even in the face of colonialism and cultural erosion, he believed in a future where Māori traditions, language, and identity would thrive once again. Hinare te Wainohu, the chaplain for the Māori battalion, did not solely rely on musical talent. He was a great speaker and visionary who did not accept the decline of Māori culture, who used his words to lift spirits and inspire courage and ignite belief. His words were a call to action. Many of our past leaders had vision. They saw beyond what was in front of them and imagined something greater, something that wasn't yet possible. I feel privileged to belong to such visionaries, such talent, such genius. Think of it this way. Talent can build a bridge. Genius envisions an entirely new way to cross. Talent gets you to the door. Genius is what unlocks the door. Talent helps solve problems. Genius sees the problem as an opportunity to change the world. One creates and the other reinvents. Genius is the future. We are the future geniuses. The possibilities are amongst us. We all have potential. Don't settle as the flame. Your potential is the fire. Endure the setbacks. Embrace the risks. Focus. Ignite. Exceed. Genius does not burn out. It burns on. It inspires. It incites. It invigorates. Be unforgettable, sensational, and set the world on fire.